We put a full filter bed in, so I'll run into a couple problems there. We've got a lot of high groundwater and really dense clays, and so they did have to raise those beds up, but I got them in and made for some nice hilly looking terrain. And we had some helical piles that were meant to go in. This half of the structure is supported by these maples, the other half by some piles. We tried putting those in and hit bedrock at just over 4 feet down. Engineers wanted to go 10 feet into the ground, so we had to actually pin the piles to the bedrock. So we've got those piles pinned, and those are supporting the glulam beams, which support all of our Douglas fir joists. And so there were some challenges in getting to that stage, but all worked out, and now we're at the level that we have here. So we got our tree supports in. We have our XL throughs that come directly through the tree, both down below and up top, supporting the main steel beams, supported by these struts that come down. And of course the steel beams are supporting the big glulams that support the floor joists for the structure. Here this is all static, so our bigger tree takes most of the load and is stationary. And then we've got some other hardware up here that the joists sit on. This glulam here actually hangs from that hardware, and it's actually dynamic. So this hardware here will allow that portion, as the trees move, then the hardware will stay put, but the joist will be able to move and shift and slide through it, so the trees can continue to move naturally. Over here we've got our piles, which go and support the far side of the building, and one more here to support the other side of the glulam. And this is where we'll have an insulated column that's going to come up, and all the utilities are run up and down there.